What's up everybody? Today I'm going to share about my problem that I face with my DJI Mic 2. There's this problem that I'm having with this receiver. In fact, this DJI Mic 2 that I just bought it not too long ago, maybe about a month. I have this problem with this receiver, especially this related to this adapter over here. Okay, you see this lightning adapter which I connect to my iPhone 14 Pro. This connects to this receiver over here, and for some reason sometimes recently when I tried to connect to it, it doesn't really work to my iPhone. I don't know why. So I'm trying to figure out what's the problem. I've self-diagnosed, I've done some research online, and no one is sharing about this problem on YouTube, on Reddit, on Google, nothing. I was thinking, oh my goodness, I thought this might be the receiver's problem, or it could be my iPhone problem, or it could be the version problem, since recently iOS came out with a new update, right? But then after testing on and off, I tried different methods. I tried using the USB-C one, which I connected to my MacBook Pro, and that one works. So then I conclude it's probably the adapter's problem. This one with the lightning adapter seems to be the fault, right? So now I was thinking, how am I going to solve this? If I search online in Shopee, Lazada, and all kinds of platforms, they don't actually sell it. If I speak to the DJI store that I bought it from, they don't have a solution for it. So I researched, I checked out those Facebook groups, and I find out that it seems to be a common problem, even for the previous DJI Mic 1. I think it's not really mentioned in common, but then this one seems to be easily damaged for some reason. And let me show you inside my DJI Mic 2 box, which I bought the full combo that comes with two, right? All these are slot over here. As you can see, you can slot it over here. If I connect it all the way, I can actually connect it to the adapter, and I follow the arrow. I connect it in. It's supposed to come out something like this, right? If I connect it to the device, it should show another screen. If you keep it inside the box, you can actually just keep it like this. And you can close it. That's what I've been doing. I've just left it like that inside this box for all this while. I did not do anything to it. I only brought it out to my Taiwan trip just to connect, do the videos. It was on my iPhone 14 Pro. Everything is okay. But then now that I left it at home, I didn't use it for about 3 weeks, and then I tried to do some voiceover recording recently. Nope, it doesn't work. So this conclusion, I think in the end, it's all about the adapter. Now let me share what did I do to solve the problem. I spoke with someone from DJI by connecting to the DJI Store app. I'll show you on the screen. Download the DJI Store app, contact the customer service, and mention to them that you have this problem. I'll show you my screenshot of what I checked. This is what I talked to them, and then they give me a reply. And since this is a Mic 2, right, it's so new, so they actually gave me a reply that they can get this adapter for me for free. Just need my shipping details. Now, one thing you need to take note of is this chat from DJI Store is interesting because the app itself is not able to send you notifications. I don't know why, from my iPhone. So normally when you chat, it's not as instant as you expect. And then when you do the chatting with them, you actually need to wait for them to talk to you on the screen. Now if they don't respond and then your screen closes and then you forget about it, after 1 hour the live chat disconnects, you need to redo the whole entire process again. And what I did was to really look at it, and the whole process took about an hour and a half. So there's this response, chat with them, respond, they need your serial number, they need to verify. So maybe you can send some pictures, you can explain the problem, and then they'll get your shipping details, and by the time everything is done, they will send you an email. So this is the email that I get. On this screen you can see, and they will send it over, and they waive the cost of the product. As you can see, the fees is over there. So hopefully, I have not received it yet, so I'm waiting for the arrival. But once it arrives, maybe I'll share it in the comments below, and then I'll let you know how is it. I hope this helps you to solve your problem, because I don't know why I'm encountering this problem. Maybe you also have this problem. You should just talk to them in the customer service and get some kind of response. Now in the DJI Store app, how to talk to the customer service agent, you need to press the service button, and then on the top right, there's this contact an expert button. Click on this live chat button and you will get to the screen where you can talk to them. So you will write your problems, what you're facing with your DJI product, and then try to speak to their live agent. So you can probably just write live agent and they will be able to ask you some questions and then choose your solution, what you need. So maybe product order support or product technical support. Then choose whatever that you need. For example, this one. Then the agent will try and talk to you. You need to ask your questions. Now, the risk of this happening is if you exit the screen, for example, you go to here or you exit or you close the screen and then you go back again. When you click this again, live chat, the chat disappears. So the conversation that we're having with the live agent disappears. You see, it's gone. So now you need to retype the whole thing again. So it's important to make sure that in this screen, make sure that the screen is always available and you do not access other apps during this time. Maybe you need to turn on the do not disturb function. Maybe you need to make sure that the screen does not turn off by itself too quickly. Maybe you need to set 10 or 20 minutes for it to stay awake so that it doesn't go into standby so quickly. And then once a while, you need to, scroll up and down to make sure that the screen is always on. Now, another thing I realized is if I do it this way and I connect it like this, and I just plug it in, typically they will come out a message saying that I need to confirm whether it's connected or not. And in this case, it's not, because it's just not connected properly. But if I do it, sometimes if I do it, twist it in a certain angle like this, sometimes it works. Let me try it. Maybe I need to turn on the screen. Hold on. See, can you see that? If this thing comes out, it means it's connected. When I do it this way, then my phone is able to record the audio perfectly. I don't have to do anything about it. But if I disconnect it and connect it again, especially this part, then there will be a problem with this thing again. So it's definitely the connector that is giving it the issue. And as you can see, sometimes it's a bit wobbly. Perhaps this is the flaw of the design. But once you can see, there is this logo over here, which is the confirm button. So once you can confirm that one works, then the audio will be fine. So if you have this problem, you can try doing what I did, which is maybe you can try pushing it a little bit, to a certain angle until that screen pops up telling you to confirm. Once it confirms and tell you that you can do it, then you are able to connect it properly. There you go. This is the icon that I'm saying. Once this icon appears, you can actually connect it as per normal. Now if I disconnect it again, you can see it comes out this error. Confirm. Alright, now I can confirm, then it's disconnected, the icon is gone. Now if I connect it again, the icon is gone. But if I somehow or another try to twist it a little bit, sometimes it works. Now the whole idea is once it works, then there you go. Then you just keep it connected, then it will work. But this is still not a solution because it means that this thing has a problem. And I think it somehow or another, there's some short circuit around here that is giving it a problem. I don't see this problem with the USB-C because I just slide it in, the USB-C is fine. I suspect because I keep it in and then put it inside the box, right? Maybe if I left it inside the box too long, this buttons over here might be suppressed, so it might not connect well. But when I put the USB-C one, it's fine. And this one over here, the chances of this having a problem, this might be the big issue here. So just take note, this could be a very sensitive thing. I'm not sure the guidelines, they don't mention that you should take it out each time and then you should keep it back inside the box. like this or not. But yeah, maybe perhaps in the future I should just keep it inside separately instead of leaving it like this. Alright, take care.